Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share project I made from paper from Stamperia, and it's spring collection, and I have my old mini album I made and I never use it. Actually, before I use that recipe book. The album, mini album is on my channel. And before I show you how I decorate that that mini album with that beautiful spring paper, because it's spring right now, even we have Corona, so we still do something new, and it's spring and it's a lot of flowers, and I love that. And let's see what I did inside. Before, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell and you will know about my new project. So that mini look like that, and inside is 8 pages, and each page have 3 sections. So let's see how it look like when I open. First is a little envelope, and we can put more photos inside, and then we have pocket with that beautiful tags, because that collection don't have enough tags, so I use also tags from other collection. So here is a little pocket with that beautiful tag. Look at bugs and butterflies, so it's so nice. So let's see. Design is very similar on each pages, but paper is all different. So we can put photos here, we can put photo here, so it's still too many possibility for photos. And it's possible 9 by, here I can't put photos, maybe here. And maybe other paper slides just behind. Okay. That is paper not from collection, but also from Stamperia. Okay, let's see. That is also from other collection. Oops. From that collection I use each piece, and how I tell, I add also paper from other collections. or single paper like that. Okay, I think it's last. Ta-da. Beautiful, beautiful design. So, thank you very much to visit my channel. If you subscribe, you make me happy, and your comment also help me to do something nice and other. Thank you very much. See you on next project.